Once you've paired a Bluetooth-enabled mobile device to the Toyota Display audio system, you will be able to place outgoing calls, receive incoming calls, and access your contacts and call history right from the vehicle's touchscreen. For customers with a compatible smartphone, SMS text-to-voice enables the Display audio system to read text messages and allows you to respond using customizable preset responses. To begin pairing your mobile device, press the Phone button on the vehicle's bezel, which is located here on the Display audio system, or here on the Display audio with navigation. You can also press the Off-Hook button here on the steering wheel. To proceed, touch Yes. While your system searches for a device, be sure to enable the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device to allow for pairing. Let's examine how to do this on iPhone, Android, and BlackBerry devices. On an iPhone, access your Settings menu, touch Bluetooth, and ensure that this feature is turned on. Select the name associated with your Toyota vehicle. Select Pair. To pair an Android device, first access your phone's Settings menu, then ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Touch Scan and select the name associated with your Toyota vehicle once it appears on the screen. To confirm, select OK. If you are pairing a BlackBerry device, access your Settings menu, then select Network Connections. Select Bluetooth and turn your Bluetooth functionality on. Ensure that your device is in Discoverable mode. Select the device name associated with your Toyota vehicle and then select Yes. Once a device has been successfully paired to the Display audio system, you will see this message appear on your display screen. Allow the system a few moments to transfer information, such as your recent call history and contacts from your mobile device. To pair an additional mobile device, first touch the Setup button from the home screen on the display. The Setup button is located here on the Display audio system, or here on the Display audio with navigation. From here, touch the Bluetooth button, and then touch Add. Since your vehicle can only be connected to one device at a time, a message will appear on the Display audio screen stating that all other devices must be disconnected before a new device can be paired. To proceed, touch Yes. Make the additional mobile device discoverable to the vehicle's Display audio system by following the same steps outlined earlier in this video. Although the system is connected to one mobile device at a time, it will always remain paired for the next time you wish to connect to the Display audio system. Touch OK. You will now be brought to a screen which will show all the devices paired to your Display audio system. The system is capable of storing up to 5 paired devices, and according to user preferences, will automatically connect to the most recently paired device. To connect to one of the other already paired devices, select from the list by pressing Setup, then Bluetooth. To find out which mobile device is paired, look for the name of the device in the upper left-hand corner of the display. On the upper right side, you will see your device's signal strength and battery level.